Are you having trouble reading text on your iPhone? Don't worry, it's actually surprisingly easy to change the font size and make it easier to view. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly adjust the font size on your iPhone. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to properly understand the tutorial. To get started, open up the settings of your iPhone and then scroll down a little bit and tap where it says Display and Brightness. Once you are on this page, you'll see these two options: text size and bold text. So if you want to adjust the size of text to make the text bigger or smaller, tap where it says text size. Apps that support dynamic type will adjust to your preferred reading size below. So now all you have to do next is drag this slider to the right side, and it will make the text bigger on your iPhone. If you drag this slider to the left, it makes the text smaller. So you can play around with this and select the perfect text size for you. And if you want to make the text bold so that it's easier to read, just go back and simply toggle this on. Bold text. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.